Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of history's mysteries. Today, we explore a controversial topic that has sparked speculation and intrigue for decades, the story of Artur Axmann and the alleged quest to resurrect the Third Reich using Hitler's ashes. Join us as we separate fact from fiction and uncover the truth behind this captivating legend. It was reported Artur had taken a box of Hitler's ashes. He also had Hitler's Walter gun he used to commit suicide. Artur Axmann was a prominent figure within the Nazi Party and held various positions within the Hitler Youth Organization. Following World War II, rumors emerged suggesting that Axmann took Hitler's ashes, preserving them with the intention of resurrecting the Nazi regime. But what is the reality behind this sensational tale? Artur Axmann was indeed a high-ranking member of the Nazi Party, having risen through the ranks of the Hitler Youth to become its leader in the later years of the war. However, the story of him taking Hitler's ashes to start a new Reich lacks concrete evidence and is largely considered a myth. The idea that Axmann took Hitler's ashes is purely speculative and lacks credible evidence. While there were numerous rumors and conspiracy theories surrounding the fate of Hitler's remains, it is widely accepted that they were discovered by the Soviet Red Army in Berlin in 1945. The Soviets found the remains of Hitler and Eva Braun in the garden of the Reich Chancellery. After conducting autopsies, the bodies were reportedly cremated and the ashes were scattered in an undisclosed location. This was done to prevent the creation of a shrine or a symbol for Nazi sympathizers. The story likely originated from a mix of post-war rumors and the desire to create an aura of mystery surrounding the Nazi era. Axmann was known to have been a fervent supporter of Hitler, and his association with the Hitler Youth made him an ideal candidate for such legends to emerge. Over time, the myth grew, fueled by the fascination with Nazi history and the desire to create narratives of a secret continuation of the Third Reich. However, there is no credible evidence to support the notion that Axmann attempted to resurrect the Nazi regime using Hitler's ashes. As historians, it is crucial to separate fact from fiction and present a balanced view of historical events. While the story of Artur Axmann and Hitler's ashes captures our imagination, it is essential to rely on credible sources and verified accounts. That concludes our exploration into the legend of Artur Axmann and the alleged quest to resurrect the Third Reich. Remember, history is filled with fascinating stories, but it is our responsibility to critically examine them. Join us next time as we uncover more intriguing mysteries from the annals of the past.